Hello, this is Joanne Hewins with LoveToCreate.typepad.com. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this card. It's my sample that I have as part of the North Carolina demo blog hop for January. Our theme is to celebrate Sale-a-Bration. So this card has quite a few items from the Sale-a-Bration catalog. First of all, you can see those lovely meerkats. And they are from the front of the catalog. The first thing you're going to see, the Gang's All Mirror. This stamp set is free with a $50 purchase. And then I added a little bit of decoration here from a die. And this die is part of the lily pad dies. Right up here, those dies coordinate with the lovely lily pad stamp set. You can get the dies for free with a $100 purchase, and the stamp set is free with a $50 purchase. And then the last thing from Sale-a-Bration that I wanted to share with you is the small bloom punch. And that's what I'm going to focus on quickly with this video. I have these flowers added to the card, and I have them, I don't know if you can actually see that much in the video, but I have them in a 3D effect, and I wanted to talk to you about how I got that effect. So I'm going to bring in some lovely lipstick, cardstock, just a scrap, and punch out with the small bloom punch. I'm having a hard time remembering that name. And then I'm going to take lovely lipstick ink, a dauber that has had lovely lipstick on it before, and I'm just going to sponge around the outside of my cutout. That just gives a little color to the tips. And then I'm going to take and add some of the color right to the middle, and I'm just taking my dauber and putting it down a little bit to get some of the color in the center. So that's already giving that a little bit more of a 3D effect. So I'm going to take my flower now and a bone folder, and I'm just going to curl carefully those pieces under, and you might can just do that with your fingers. Okay, so now I've got the blossoms curled under, but that's not very appealing. So what I'm going to do is bring in my stamping pierce mat. I'm going to lay the flower down, and I'm going to be using, this is a retired piercing tool, but you really just need anything that has a kind of a blunt and rounded end to it. So probably some kind of markers or other things like that would work. And I'm just going to put that right in the center and push down. And then when I do that, it makes that flower punch up around the edges. So I'm just going to kind of place my blooms back just a little bit more, and they really have a little bit more of a flower and standing up kind of a look to it. And then I'm just going to bring in, these are the Peaceful Poppies sequins, and they have some of the sequins. Of course, I'm not going to pull one out. It's this, we made this in a class. They might not be showing up so much. There we go. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to bring in my Take Your Pick tool. And I'm going to, just with the other end, I'm going to get a glue dot and stick that right in the center of the flower. Well, it didn't stay. It must be the glue. Okay, I'm going to put my sequin on the glue dot. And then I'm going to push that down in the center. And actually, you may even want to bring your pad back in. Push that good. And that gives you the center of your flower. So I hope you'll try that. I put 3 of those on this card, and I just thought it looked really cute. Now for the leaves, I used the Call Me Clover grosgrain ribbon, and I'm not going to do that here, but I cut just a little piece and bent that over like this, and then you can just attach that to the back with a glue dot, or even I think in the description I talked about putting the flower on and then adding this behind it, but that would give you just a little leaf. It's a little bit different. So I hope you'll try that on some cards, and I hope that you'll want the small bloom punch and some of these other things that you can get from Sale-a-Bration. If you need any supplies, if you'll contact me, I'll have the link actually to my store on this video and to my blog post and blog. So I would appreciate your business. I would love to have your business. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.